Hello, and welcome to a video on how to change the password of your Coriolis device. So your first step is to press the down arrow until you see the word Configuration on your screen. Then you can press E, and you will be prompted for a password. The stock password for all Coriolis devices is all zeros, so you can just press E to confirm the current password. Now you should be looking at the Configuration menu, so you should see the words Flow Configuration on your screen. Next, you can press the down arrow until you see the words Change Password on your screen. Now press E to enter this submenu. This device will now prompt you to enter your current password. As mentioned earlier, the stock password is all zeros, so you can just press E to confirm the current password. Now your screen should ask you to enter your new password. This can be done by pressing the down arrow to increase the flashing value in increments of 1. Then you can press the left arrow to shift the flashing value to the right once. For the purpose of this video, I'll be setting my password to 1250. So after inputting your new password, you can press E and the device will prompt you to re-enter the new password. Once you've confirmed the new password, the device will state that it has successfully saved the new password. This concludes this video on changing the password of your Coriolis device. We appreciate your patronage and hope to speak with you soon. If you still have any questions, feel free to contact us at the following.